Hi students, I hope you are doing well. And in the previous session we have discussed about the surface areas volumes, from that the concept of volume for the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, and we have discussed about the application part of this pi r square h. And in today's session we are going to discuss about the volume concept for the solid shape of a cone. So cone, that is exercise 13.7. Exercise 13.7. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. I already discussed with you, if you take a cone of same radius and a cylinder and the height, then when you pour the water with the cone, then you need to fill the cylinder 3 times. So that's practical. 3 times you have to pour the water. That's the reason the volume of the cone is 1 by 3. The volume of the cylinder is 3 times of the pi r square cone. So volume of the cone is 1/3 of pi r square h. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. So based on this, 1/3 of pi r square h is the volume formula for the cone to calculate its volume. Now we are going to discuss about exercise 13.7, question number 2. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with a radius 7 centimeters and slant height 25 centimeters. Find the capacity in liters a conical vessel with radius. So there is a conical vessel with a radius that is 7 centimeter. So conical vessel, look at the board. This is a conical vessel. The radius is given here. Radius is given. This is r, and the slant height. This is the slant height. This is 25 centimeter, and this is equals to 7 centimeter. Now from the vertex to the center of the circle, we call it as height. From the vertex to the center of the, from vertex to the center of the circle, the base is called radius. So what is the capacity of this conical vessel, he is asking. So first thing, radius r is equals to 7 centimeters. Next, slant height h is equals to 25. Slant height is L. Slant height L is equals to 25 centimeters. So to calculate the capacity, first we need to calculate its volume. What we need to calculate? Its volume. So to calculate volume, we required the height of the cone. To calculate the volume, we required height of the cone. So height of the cone, height of the cone h is equals to root of, as we know, that is a question mark. H is the question mark. We need to find out the height. So h is equals to, observe it, as we know, L square is equals to h square plus r square. Slant height square is equals to height square plus its radius according to the Pythagoras property, and slant height is L square is equals to h square plus r square. What is L square? L value is 25 square is equals to h square plus 7 square. 25 is 625 is equals to h square plus 49. 625, transpose this 49 this side, minus 49 is equals to h square, then 6 to 576 is equals to h square. From this, h is equals to, h square is equals to this, then h is equals to root of 576. So therefore h is equals to 24 centimeter. Height of the cone is how much? 24 centimeter. What we are doing? We are applying the formula, that is L square is equals to find its height. slant height square, slant height is equals to L square is equals to H square plus R square. Putting the values in this and getting the height of the cone, that is H is equals to 24 centimeter. Now volume of the cone, first volume of the cone is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square H. 1 by 3 pi r square H. Observe it. 1 by 3 pi r square H. So which is equals to 1 by 3 into the pi value he already mentioned in the question. Use 22 by 7 in the textbook he given in the beginning of the exercise. Unless until he mentioned 3.14, we need to use 22 by 7. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is the radius, 7 square. 7 square into height is 24 and the volume we measured in cubic units. So 24. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 square into 24 centimeter cube. This you have to simplify now. 1 by 3. Observe it. So 3 table here. Next step I am writing 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 24. So 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. Now what we have? We have in this which is equals to 22 into 1. 22 into 1. 22 into 7 into 8, which is nothing but 56. So 22 into 56. 22 into 56. Observe it. 22 into 56. Here I am doing 56 into 22. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So next also same 1 1. So 2 3 2. 1232. 1232 centimeter cube. This is volume. So volume is equals to 1232 centimeter cube. But what we need to find out is asking find the capacity of the conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter and slant height 25 centimeter in liters. So 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So this many centimeter cube is equals to, so 1232 by 1000, which will give you 1 2 3. After 3 digits you have to place the decimal point. 2 3 2, put a point 1. 1.232 liters. 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. This many centimeter cube is equals to how many liters? Divided by 1000. So therefore the capacity of conical vessel is 1.232 liters. 1.232 liters. Is it clear? So he gave in the question radius and we slant height. By using those two, slant height is by applying the Pythagoras property, L square is equals to H square plus R square. So we calculated its height because we required height to find out its volume. So one volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Volume is measured in cubic units. We substituted and calculated, but he is asking the capacity. He is asking capacity of the vessel. So capacity in liters was 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. These many centimeter cube is equals to, so 1.232 liters. Therefore the capacity of the vessel is this. Is it clear, students? I hope you understood. We will continue the next question. Now see question number 4. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 cm is 48 pi centimeter cube. So the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter of its base. We have to find out the diameter of its base. So volume is given 48 pi. Pi he did not simplify, he just kept like that only. 48 pi. 48 pi. In spite of calculating 22 by 7 and the answer, he just left 48 pi centimeter cube. And the height is given. We need to find out the diameter of its base by substituting in the formula. What is the formula to find out volume of the cone? Yes, 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let us see that. Solution. First, what is given? Height. Height of the cone is equals to 9 centimeters. And volume of the cone is equals to 48 pi centimeter cube. So here is the diagram. Volume of the cone is given and height is also given. Height is this one. This is the height h. H is equals to 9 centimeters and we need to calculate its diameter. We need to calculate its diameter. Diameter we need to calculate. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. What we need to calculate first? Diameter. D is equals to question mark. For that we need to calculate first radius. If you know the radius, then diameter will be how many times of its radius to the radius of the base? 2 times of its base. Diameter will be 2 times of its base. So volume of the cone is equals to 48 pi centimeter cube. Diameter is D is equals to question mark. That we are going to find. So volume formula is what? Volume formula. Volume is of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 48. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 48 pi. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 48 pi. So 1 by 3 into pi into r square into what is the height? H is equals to 9 is equals to 48 pi. Now here pi gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. You see here pi gets cancelled because pi is equal. Both the sides it is equal. Equal sign. Okay, pi 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay. Now r square 3 into r square. 3r square is equals to 48. Then r square is equals to 48 by 3 which is equals to 16. R square is equals to 16. So r square is equal to 16. Observe it. Here we cancel the pi. 3 table 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. R square into 3. 3 r square is equals to 48. Then transpose 3 this side. 48 by 3 is equal to 3 ones are 3. 16s are 48. So r square is equals to 16. Then r is equals to root 16. Root 16 means it can be plus or minus 4. Square root of 16 is it can be plus value or it can be minus value, but height will not be in negative. So we are considering only the positive value. Height cannot be negative, so we are considering only positive value. So r is equals to radius will not be, sorry, not height, radius will not be negative. Radius will not be negative. So radius will be always positive. So r is equals to 4 centimeter. What is r is given? R is equals to 4 centimeter. Height is given, volume is given. We substituted and we calculated its radius. Radius of the base is 4 centimeter. Diameter is equals to 2 into r, which is equals to 2 into 4 centimeter, which is equals to 8 centimeters. Therefore, diameter is equals to 8 centimeters. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? What is the volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid. We need to find out volume of its solid, but given figure is a triangle. It is revolved, means like this, it made a rotation, revolved about the side 12 cm. So first we need to draw the diagram. So about the side means the height. This is 12 centimeters. And radius, that is here 5 centimeter is the base. 5 centimeter. And this is 13 centimeter. Now you see, it made about the side it is rotated. About its side it is rotated. Are you following? About the side it's rotated. About the side it's rotated. So when it's rotated here, generally you see, when a triangle is rotated, it forms a conical shape. It is rotating like this, right triangle. So when it is rotated, obviously we get a conical shape. Triangle is rotated, it appears like that. Triangle is rotated, a right triangle. So this is about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid. What is the base radius? 5 centimeter. What is its height? Because it is rotated about the side 12 centimeter. If it is rotated about the 5 centimeter, then 5 centimeter will become its height. If it is rotating about the side 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter will be height, that is 5, and radius will become 12 centimeter. Now it is rotating about the side 12 centimeter, so height is 12 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. So sides of triangle, observe it, A, B, C. Let AB is equals to 12 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter and AC is equals to 13 centimeter. That is given in the triangle. Triangle ABC is given. Okay. Now when it is rotating, now height, radius of the cone, radius of the base, it's rotated about its side 12 centimeter. So radius of the base R is equals to 5 centimeter. Height of the cone shape or cone solid which we got, H is equals to 12 centimeter. You see, because it is rotating the about the side 12 centimeter, height we are using as 12 and radius of the base is 5. If it is rotating about the side 5, then height will become 5, radius will become 12 centimeters. Volume of the conical solid shape or solid, 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. which is equals to 1 by 3 into pi, let it be pi as it is, into pi into r square, that is r value is 5, so 5 square into 12 centimeter, 12 is the height and volume is measured in cubic units. Observe it here, 3 ones are 3 fours are, 3 ones are 3 fours are. What is there in this? Leftover pi is as it is, we didn't simplify. 5 square, 5 square is how much? 25, 25 into 4, 5 square is 25, 25 fours are 100, so which is equals to, here I'll write, which is equals to 100, and pi value, let it be like that only, pi centimeter cube. Therefore volume of the solid is equals to 100 pi centimeter cube. 100 pi centimeter cube. Remember, it is rotating about the side 12 centimeter. So height is 12 centimeter. If it is rotating about the side 5 centimeter, then the diagram will be like this. So here 12 centimeter will be there. This is 12 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this is 13 centimeter. Now it will rotate like this. So in that case, height will become 5 and radius is 12. So you have next question like this. It is rotating about the side 5 centimeters. I hope you understood. When it is rotating a right triangle, it is rotating, is forming a conical shape. Find its volume. You have to think in which side, about which side it is rotating. Is it clear, students? Yes. So I hope you understood how to use the application part, how to find out the volume. If they give radius and slant height, how to find its height of the cone, and volume of the cone formula is, once again revise the formula, 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. So today we have discussed about the volume of the cone in today's class. I hope it is clear to everyone, and here we have some homework questions from exercise 13.7, question number 1, 3, 5, 6 and 9. These questions you have to finish as homework, and we will meet again in the next session with some other solid, which is nothing but sphere. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.